Okay, dear students, and all of you know, in the previous class we have discussed the units of measurement of angles in terms of the degree, radian and grade, and the relationship between the degree, radian and grade, and also we have discussed how to convert one unit to other unit in terms of the measurement of angles. Okay, and here in this class I am discussing another important concept, vital concept on the trigonometry of your class 11 math. Okay, and that is known as the trigonometric function with the help of the unit circle. Okay, and here I hope and you will follow it and you will practice it. Okay, and this concept may be applicable and in various and trigonometric function in solving various trigonometric function. Let's see now. Okay, so here trigonometric ratio with the help of unit circle. It means and we have to consider a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Let us consider a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Let us consider a circle. Let us consider a circle with radius is 1 unit. Okay, understand? Here, this is the center of the circle. Let us draw the coordinate axis through the center of the circle. Through the center of circle. This is what? X-axis. And this is Y-axis. Understand? Here, Y-O, Y-O, Y dash. Here the center of the circle lies on the origin. Okay, is it clear? So let us consider a unit circle. Let us consider a circle having radius of unit of radius 1 unit Understand? And the center of the circle with center whose center is at origin. Whose center is at origin. Understand? Whose coordinate 0, 0. At the center of the circle is at origin. Okay. And the radius is 1 unit. Is it clear? Now the circle intersects the coordinate axis at the point A, whose coordinate is 1, 0, and B, whose coordinate is what? 0, 1, at the C, whose coordinate is minus 1, 0, and D, and the point D, whose coordinate is 0, minus 1. So these are the coordinate points and in which the circle intersect the coordinate axis. Okay, so the coordinate of the circle intersect the coordinate axis at the point A, B, C, D. Okay, whose coordinate of A is 1, 0, coordinate of B is 0, 1, and the coordinate of C is minus 1, 0, and coordinate of D is 0, minus 1. Okay, understand? So let us consider a point. Let us consider a point P whose coordinate is xy lies on the circle, lies on given circle. Understand or not? Let Pxy be a point. Let P be any point whose coordinate is xy on the circle. Understand? Now let us draw perpendicular PM perpendicular to the x-axis and join OP. Join OP. Now the PM perpendicular to x-axis is drawn. Okay, and OP join. OP join. Is it clear? Now let's see. And OP is the value of the OP is the radius of the circle, whose value is 1. Here OP is 1. Yes or no? And it makes here the OP makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis. Understand? So this value is theta. Okay. Understand? Let POM angle with theta. Okay. Let POM angle theta. Understand? And you are going to find out the trigonometric ratio of angle theta of the. Okay. Understand? And here we are getting also, you see the OMP is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Understand? So we are going to find out the trigonometric ratio of angle theta of the right angle triangle PMQ, right angle OPM. OPM. Okay. Understand? Okay. Now clearly you see. First point you see now. Number one. First point is sine theta. And sine theta, all of you know the perpendicular hypotenuse. Opposite side to the acute angle by hypotenuse. Your opposite side what? PM. By hypotenuse what? OP. Here PML what? And you can clearly see the here base is equal to OM. Okay. Yes or no? OM. The base is equal to OM, which is known as x coordinate. Yes or no? And the perpendicular is equal to PM, which is the y coordinate, and OP is the hypotenuse, which is the value 1, radius of the circle. So you see the sine theta is equal to PM by OP, which PM is what? So this value is what? You see, yeah, this value is x, and this value is y, and this value is 1. Understand? So PM is equal to what? You see now y by 1. So sine theta is equal to y. Okay, so we got sine theta is equal to y. So we got first point, sine theta is equal to y. Sine theta is equal to y. Okay, and second point you see, second trigonometry is cos theta, and cos theta is equal to what? The base by hypotenuse, adjacent side to the acute angle to the hypotenuse. So here so here B, adjacent side is OM upon OP. Here OM is what? X by 1, which is x. Hence we got cos theta equal to x. Cos theta is equal to second point. This is the first point, and the second point. So we got the second point is that cos theta is equal to y, x cos theta is equal to x, and it means the x coordinate is cos theta, y coordinate is sin theta. Okay, here x coordinate is cos theta and y coordinate is sin theta. Okay, yes or no? So third point we discuss tan theta, and tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base P by B, opposite side to the acute angle and adjacent side to the acute angle. Yes or no? So which is PM by, which is PM by OM. Here PM means y upon x. So tan theta y upon x. So tan theta is equal to y upon x. You see the denominator is x here, and what is x? And x is equal to cos theta, and cos theta x value should never be equal to 0. So theta must not be equal to the odd integral of pi by 2. Okay, so condition is that where x is not equal to the odd integral of pi by 2, because if the value will be, x value will be odd integral of pi by 2, it may be pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, then cos theta will be always 0, then the value of x will be 0. Hence y upon x value is 0 means what? The tan theta is not defined, cannot determine. The value of tan theta cannot determine if x is equal to 0, where x is equal to, where this is not x, this is theta, angle. Theta should not be equal to, theta is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, theta is not equal to odd integral of pi by 2. Okay, so this is about the, so we got third point, what? We got tan theta is equal to y upon x, where theta is not equal to odd integral of pi upon 2, right? Okay, is it clear? So note down all of you. Is it clear, understood? Okay, next point you see. You see the next point. Next to cot theta, the reciprocal of tan theta is if the tan theta is y by x, the cos theta will be x by y naturally. Where theta is not equal to what? N pi. Because and if theta will be n pi, then sin n pi will be 0, then y will be 0. If y will be 0, then x by y, the value of y will be 0, then cos theta and cot theta is not defined. So, understand? So, here cot theta is equal to x by y. Okay. And next point you see sec theta. And sec theta is what? Sec theta is what? H upon B, which is OP upon OM, which is 1 upon what? X. So sec theta is equal to 1 upon X. A student, you see here, and if X is equal to cos theta, we know X is equal to cos theta, and with theta X should not be 0. As X is equal to 0, when X will be 0? If theta is equal to what? Odd integral of pi by 2. So if theta will be odd integral of pi by 2, then cos 2n plus 1, the cos theta will be 0 and x will be 0 as a result, and the sec theta cannot be determined, cannot be defined. So the condition is that sec theta is equal to 1 by x, where theta is not equal to odd integral of pi by 2. Is it no? Odd integral of pi by 2. Is it clear? So last point is what? Here last point is okay, and here we got cosec theta, and cosec theta similarly what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular opposite. Here it will be OP upon what? PM, and it will be 1 upon what? Y, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon Y. Okay, where since y is equal to sin theta, so y should not be equal to 0, should never 0. If y will be 0, then cosec theta is not defined, and all of you know when theta is equal to n pi, y will be 0. So theta value, theta is not equal to what? Where a condition is that theta is not equal to n pi, because if theta is equal to n pi, then sin theta will be 0 and y will be 0, hence value of y will be 0, then cosec theta is not defined. This is how we got the 6th trigonometric ratio with the help of unit circle. Is it clear all of you? So let's is it clear? Now rewrite here. So tan theta is y by x, and we got cot theta x by y, and you see now fifth point, sec theta is what? 1 by x, where theta is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and cosec theta is 1 upon y, where theta is not equal to n pi. Is it clear all of you? So this is about the trigonometric function with the help of the unit circle, and these are widely applicable in solving the various trigonometric function. I hope you will understand it and follow it. Is it clear? So let us practice it. Okay, understand? Thank you all of you.